Good morning, my wonderful friends. It is Sunday, and we are having a fun little beach day with my bestie Leslie. Haven't hung out with her in really quite some time. I know we're doing things out of order typically from how we would. So usually Saturday's the day that we go out, but Saturday's the day that I did pretty much nothing at all. I slept a ton. We rented a couple movies. It was really chill. Mo took really good care of me all day, so it was one of those kind of moments. But today we're actually gonna go out to the beach. Enjoy it. I have a feeling it may be one of the last days we go to the beach before fall hits, since we are now in August, believe it or not. So yeah, Leslie's birthday is this month, and so we're just gonna celebrate, maybe go do some lunch, and yeah, just kind of see where the day takes us. So I hope you have an amazing weekend. Thanks for watching. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Always appreciate when you do that. Leave me a nice comment. Keep it positive, respectful, uplifting. I will respond. I love chatting back with you guys, and we will touch base again here real soon. All right, bye.
Give me this.
I'm coming.
Give me this.
I am. You know I am. I know, we could have.
Welcome.
Oh, yeah.